What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Reviews, and today we'll be continuing the various methods of developing a website. Last video we spoke about using a content management system as a way of doing so while comparing the different platforms which offer those services. But today we'll be covering the coding aspect of web designing, some of the features, and which platform is best suited for beginners. But before we continue, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content. With that being said, let's get right into it.
The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night.
Aside from using any of the CMS that were mentioned in the last video, you can develop a website from scratch using HTML coding. HTML is one of the many coding languages which allows you to build and structure a web page. It consists of a series of elements that can be structured in a way to act and appear based on your likeness. It allows you to add images, link to other pages, add videos, and even bold and underline text. You can manipulate the appearance of the web page using CSS style sheets. This allows you to alter the text size, the style, color, and background as well. You can also incorporate JavaScript to design a more dynamic website, essentially allowing you to implement complex items to web pages like an interactive map or 2D animations. Overall, once those key components are utilized, you can code website to look as simple as this, where as you can see, some of the texts are highlighted, some are bold, some are italic, and there's a border. Simple website. Or something like this, where you can enter information such as the name, email, t-shirt size. But if you want to be a little more fancy, you can code websites to have a background text a particular text alignment, something similar like this, where you can see all the texts are aligned center. There's some text with color, there are images, borderlines, or form pages that look like this, where it allows you to enter your date of birth, email, select what gender, etc. There are many coding applications which facilitate you in coding websites. Some of them are Notepad++, Microsoft Azure, and Adobe Dreamweaver, all of which possess the same level of functionality, but personally I would recommend using Adobe Dreamweaver as the best suited platform for beginners. It allows you to view how the website looks before hosting it online. That way you don't have to switch screens to view the site. It makes it a lot easier to identify your CSS, JavaScript, and or HTML coding and where they are located. Lastly, it provides code suggestions for beginners by displaying a list of options they can choose from based on what they like to do. The only downside is that Adobe Dreamweaver is not browser based, meaning it does not allow you to view how the website looks on the browser. But not to worry, there's still a way to host the site using a particular platform, which will be covered in our next video, where we'll be discussing the various hosting services and platforms. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Again, as mentioned, next video we'll be discussing the various hosting methods and which is best suited. Stay tuned for more.